Imagine waking up in the morning to find that you've made money overnight. While you were fast asleep, your bank balance quietly grew. Whether you're traveling the world, spending quality time with your family, or simply enjoying a peaceful night's rest, your income keeps flowing in. It might sound like a dream, or even impossible, but it's absolutely within your reach. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, a proven business model that's helped countless people transform their financial futures and gain more freedom in their lives. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree, years of experience, or a huge budget to get started. All you really need is a spark of passion, a bit of curiosity, and the willingness to take action and learn as you go. This guide is designed to be your step-by-step roadmap, breaking down the process into simple, actionable steps so you never feel lost or overwhelmed. Maybe you're thinking, but I'm not a tech expert, or I don't know where to start, or perhaps you worry, I don't have a big following on social media. That's perfectly okay. In fact, many of the most successful affiliate marketers started with no audience, no experience, and just a desire for more freedom and flexibility. Affiliate marketing is all about sharing products and services you genuinely love, and helping others discover solutions that make their lives better. Imagine recommending your favorite running shoes to friends, family, or even strangers online, and every time someone buys based on your recommendation, the company thanks you with a commission. That's affiliate marketing in action. Simple, powerful, and accessible to anyone willing to try. You become a trusted guide, connecting people with products and services that truly solve their problems and improve their lives. It's a win-win situation. You help others make better choices, and in return, you build a sustainable income stream that can grow over time. Are you ready to unlock this incredible potential and start building your own path to financial freedom? In this guide, we'll show you how to find your perfect niche, choose the right affiliate programs, and create content that truly resonates with people and inspires them to take action. We'll also help you avoid the most common mistakes so you can move forward with confidence and see results faster. Your journey to earning while you sleep starts right now with this very first step. So let's dive in together and turn your passive income dreams into reality. Your future starts here, and it's brighter than you think. Let's break it down. Affiliate marketing is a unique partnership that's reshaping how people earn money online. In its simplest form, you earn a commission for promoting another company's products or services to your audience. Imagine yourself as a freelance salesperson, but instead of knocking on doors, you're sharing brands you genuinely admire with people online, through blogs, videos, or social media. When someone makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you receive a share of the profit, tracked automatically by the company. It's a win-win-win. The company gets more sales, the customer discovers a trusted recommendation, and you earn money for connecting people with products you believe in. The best part? You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle shipping. Your main job is to connect people with solutions that fit their needs. As an affiliate, your credibility matters. Focus on authenticity, honesty, and providing real value to your audience. Whether you're writing a review, making a video, or sharing a post, affiliate marketing is a low-risk, high-reward way to start an online business, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a passion for sharing. All you need to do is find a product you trust, promote it in your own style, and earn a commission for every sale that comes through your link. There's no magic involved, just a smart, proven business model that rewards those who build trust and genuinely help others. No matter how big or small your audience is, you can leverage your unique voice and perspective to create a real income stream. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let's dive deeper into how the process actually works and how you can get started. You'll see it's simpler and more accessible than you might think. Here's how affiliate marketing works behind the scenes. You join an affiliate program and get a unique tracking link. Share this link in your blog, video, or social media. When someone clicks your link, a cookie tracks their visit for a set time, sometimes days or weeks. If they buy during that window, you get credit for the sale. The company system records your commission and pays you once you reach a certain threshold. Most programs pay via PayPal or direct deposit. The process is automated. You share, they click, they buy, you earn. It's a system that works for you 24/7. That's the affiliate marketing cycle. Simple and powerful. Your niche is your corner of the internet. the unique topic or area you'll focus on as you build your online presence. It's the foundation of your brand and the starting point for everything you'll create. Choose something you're genuinely passionate about, something that excites you every time you think about it. When you care deeply, your enthusiasm will shine through in your content and naturally attract others who share your interests. Don't chase trends or topics you don't care about just because they seem popular. If you're not interested, you'll burn out fast and your audience will notice the lack of authenticity. Think about your hobbies, skills, or problems you've solved in your own life. Maybe it's gluten-free baking, dog training, minimalist living, or even something like organizing small spaces or learning new languages. The more specific your niche, the better. A focused topic helps you stand out and makes it easier for your audience to find you. For example, yoga for busy moms stands out much more than just fitness or yoga. The more tailored your niche, the more memorable you become. Do some research to make sure there's an audience interested in your topic and that there are products or services you can promote. This step is key for long-term success. Check out forums, Facebook groups, and see if similar blogs, YouTube channels, or podcasts already exist. This shows there's real interest and a community you can join or serve. Make sure there are products you can recommend. Search Amazon or Google for ideas. Don't overthink it. Just look for evidence that people are buying and talking about your topic. Pick a direction that excites you and get started, even if you're not 100% sure. Taking action is the best way to learn and grow. Remember, your business will evolve as you learn more about your audience and yourself. It's okay to adjust your niche as you go. Start by making a list of your passions, interests, and experiences that you enjoy talking about or sharing with others. See where your passions overlap with audience needs and available products. This sweet spot is where you'll find the best niche for you. Trust your gut. Your unique perspective and life experience are your superpowers. No one else can bring what you do to the table. The right niche lets you be authentically you, sharing your story and expertise in a way that feels natural. Start there and let your journey unfold. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to find products to promote by joining affiliate programs. Start with user-friendly platforms like Amazon Associates, perfect for beginners and almost any niche. Amazon's application is simple, and you can link to millions of products. Commission rates are modest, but the volume and trust make up for it. Explore affiliate networks like ShareASale and ClickBank for access to thousands of merchants. ShareASale is great for physical products. ClickBank specializes in digital products with high commissions. Also, look for independent affiliate programs on company websites, especially for software or online courses you already use. Promoting products you love makes your recommendations more authentic. Make a list of your favorite brands and see if they offer affiliate programs. Choose programs that align with your niche and values. Now let's talk content, the heart of affiliate marketing. Your content delivers your affiliate links, but it must help, educate, or entertain first. Focus on being genuinely useful. Sales will follow. Choose a format you enjoy: blog, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. Write reviews, how-to guides, or comparison posts. For example, the 5 best coffee grinders for beginners. If you prefer video, create unboxings, tutorials, or reviews. Seeing you use a product builds trust. On social media, share quick tips, images, or graphics, and use your bio or special link tools. Consistency is key. Show up regularly to build momentum. Always be honest. Only recommend products you truly believe in. Your credibility is your most valuable asset. Promoting low-quality products will lose your audience's trust. Be the helpful, honest guide they rely on. That's how your affiliate business will thrive. Create with purpose and conversions will follow. Starting is great, but long-term success requires smart strategies. Build real relationships with your audience. See them as people, not just clicks. Engage, respond, and ask what they need. The better you know them, the better you can serve. Learn basic SEO so your content shows up in Google searches. Use relevant keywords in your titles and posts. Good SEO brings free, targeted traffic over time. Don't rely on one platform. Start with a blog, but also build a presence on at least one social channel. Most importantly, build an email list from day one. It's your direct line to loyal fans. Use your list to share content and affiliate offers. Track your results. See which links and content perform best. Use this data to double down on what works. Smart, data-driven decisions build a sustainable business. Success isn't luck, it's strategy and consistency. Keep learning and adapting. Knowing what not to do is just as important as knowing what works. Don't be spammy. Plastering links everywhere without value will get you ignored or banned. Always provide context and help, not just sales pitches. Never promote products you haven't used or researched. High commissions mean nothing if the product is bad. Your reputation is everything. Protect it by only recommending what you trust. Don't expect overnight results. Affiliate marketing is a real business and it takes time to grow. Be patient and persistent. Success comes with consistent effort. Always disclose your affiliate relationships. It's not just honest, it's the law in many places. A simple statement in your posts or videos builds trust. Transparency makes your audience more likely to support you. Avoid shortcuts. Focus on value, honesty, and patience. Learn from mistakes, but don't let them stop you. Stay committed, and you'll see results. You've learned the basics. Now it's time to take action. Affiliate marketing is a real path to more freedom and income, built on sharing your passions and knowledge. Every successful affiliate marketer started at square one. No one has it all figured out at the start. Progress, not perfection, is what matters. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start brainstorming your niche and jot down your ideas. Clarity comes from action, not overthinking. Choose one thing and begin. Your future business is built one small, courageous step at a time. You already have what you need, your unique voice and perspective. The world needs your insights and recommendations. Be generous, be authentic, and be patient with your growth. You're capable of building a business and life you love. Start today. Your future is waiting.